Hi guys, so today I'm using the Amber Dream sticker book created by Cozy Planner Girl, and I believe she's just actually opened up a new little website and stuff, and she makes digital stickers. This is Gemma, she is the lovely girl behind Cozy Planner Girl, and this is her sticker book. So I'm just going to be using this today, and I'm going to do a little flick through of what's in it. So these are the fashion boxes. Just look at these designs. I'm going to put this kit in my September spread. So I'm definitely feeling quite festive and quite like pumpkin vibey at the moment. So I've just done the house and stuff up. So this kit is just going to fit in so nicely. Look at the decor, like the little pumpkins, the orange, amber kind of vibes. Just loving it. Definitely up my street. So I can't wait to use this. Then we've got some fashion girls in different skin colours and hair colours. So you've definitely got a really good variety here. Really liking this vibe, and I'm loving the little caravan. It's just making me feel really festive and ready for fall. Love these colours as well. Absolutely loving this so far. Then we've got some more little fashion girls, again, different hair colours, different skin types. Then we've got a little caravan and a little home scene down here as well. Loving all these autumnal vibes. I am so for it and so ready for it right now. Next, we've got some date covers and some date dots, again in different variety of colours, different variety of shades and stuff. And we've got some numbers there as well, which is always helpful. I've actually stopped putting numbers in mine just because I've just found it's just so much easier without the numbers, because I tend to just write in the numbers, but the numbers are useful as well, so that's a good wee add-on as well. Then we've got some functional boxes and nice patterns in different colours and stuff as well. Then we've got some more functional boxes and some glitter washi and stuff. Then we've got your widgets. So I like to do these in like the sidebar. Then we've got loads of different colours of icons, which is really helpful and useful as well. And then we've got some different vibes of washi tape. So these are really nice autumnal patterns and stuff as well. So I'm loving that. Then last but not least, we've got a journaling page. So if you like scrapbooking, or if you do scrapbooking, you could also use these little sticker books for that as well. So let's get started with this plan with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to split the screen, and this was the last time that I basically done my digital planning, which is ridiculous because it's a way back in May. I did another couple and then I like completely forgot all about it, and I just haven't really done it, to be fair. I just haven't really had the time. So yeah, we're just going to skip all that and we're going to go straight to September. So I'm just basically split screening this. You can see the little sticker book on one side and you can see my digital planner on the other, and we're basically just going to copy and paste and do this digital spread. So if you guys have never ever seen how you do this is just a little rundown of how I do my digital planning. Obviously with this being a brand new sticker book, I didn't know how I was going to lay this out, but I kind of have a rough idea, and I always like to do like my days of the week first, and then like my full boxes. I'm quite a visual planner, so I absolutely love all the full boxes and the deco. You will find that if you ever purchase any of my own kits, I do have a lot of deco and full boxes and things like that as well. I love the functional stuff too, but I'm an active planner. I like to see pictures and stuff. I'm just that kind of girl. So yeah. So first off, we're just going in with our days of the week. Then I put all these down, and then I was like, no, in fact, I'm just going to change this completely up, and we're going to use all three colours that she's added to this, instead of just doing all orange, because that looked a bit boring. So we're just going in with all the different colours. So it's like a dark orange, a yellowish shade, and then like a lighter orange shade, and we're just going in with all three of them. So I'm just changing that out. This is what I absolutely love about digital planning, because if there's something that you don't like, you can just change it up. Like, it's as simple and easy as that. So now I'm just going in with these kind of fashion girls, and I'm going to take the girl with the blonde hair because I personally have blonde hair. So I'm just going to put her up here because I always like to have a nice full box in the corner. Then I think I'm just going to take this full box, and we're just going to put all our full boxes on the top bar this time. Absolutely love the clipper and the decor of this. These full boxes are such a vibe. I am loving this kit so far, and I can't wait to see how this is going to look as a spread. So yeah, I'm just going to put this little love heart checklist box here, but I don't know if it's staying here. This could change up, so we will see. So I did start on my side box, but I'm just adding like the bits that I know, like the weekend banner and things like that, just going through the sticker book. I absolutely love this little box. It's got the currently, watching, reading and things like that. So that's really good to update, but I actually end up moving that to the sidebar, as you guys will see. Then I'm just going in with this little coffee icon, and we're just going to put this just under this picture. Apologies, by the way, if you hear my girls in the background. They are just playing in the room and they are being so loud the minute that I have to do a voiceover. But yeah, anyway, moving on. So I'm just going to take this little double box here. I absolutely love this design. If anybody has any ideas or any tips on how to do a decent double box, please let me know, because I am absolutely hopeless at it. And I would love to do a double box because I love doing it over the weekend, because I just feel like you don't really do much of the weekend unless you've got loads and loads of plans, which I never ever have. So I like to do like a big double box over the weekend. That's just how I do my spreads. But we're just moving this little picture here. I love that it's got the little makeup set and stuff. It kind of resembles to myself. I love the little mug here and the little pumpkins. Then I'm just going to move over here and we're going to add this one to Fridays. So I'm absolutely loving this kind of pumpkin but kind of fall vibe. It just goes so well. I really, really like it. Now I think I'm just going to take this little girl here. I'm loving this like retro camper van. How funky is that? So cute. And I'm just taking the blonde girl just because I just feel like it resembles myself if it's got like blonde hair, because I've got blonde hair. Now we're going to take some of these functional boxes, I think, but I'm actually just going to move all this over here. This is what I absolutely love about digital planning. Like, you can just move everything about as you please, and it's just so easy to move anything that you want. You can just remove it and add it. So now I'm just going to take these little checklists and I'm going to put these in the middle. And I'm just going to change it up. I'm going to do like the love heart ones and the plain ones. Then we're just going to take these little half boxes and put these down here. Love the little design that's on these as well. And again, I'm trying to stick with like the different colour vibe, like the deep orange to the yellow kind of mustardy colours to the light orange. And we're just changing it up the same as what we've done with the days of the week there, but the different colours. So we're just keeping it all kind of similar. Love this little checkered box. It's so cute. Now I'm just going to move this over here. I don't know if it's staying, it might stay, it might not. I might change it up. I'm always forever changing the sidebar just to kind of change it up a little bit. But I thought we'd go in with some of these like kind of half box vibes. And I wanted to use this little arrow just for little reminders. So I'm going to put that there. Then I wanted to go back to the full boxes again because I feel like I didn't use enough of these, even though there's like loads. But I really like this little girl, so I'm going to put her here. Then I think we will add another one at this side. We'll add the one with the little leaves. That looks pretty cute. Then I'm just going to take this little water tracker and I'm going to start doing this sidebar. You do see that I do kind of jump from like sidebar to like the main kind of part, because once I start one a bit, like I feel like I have to finish it, but then if the sidebar is not complete, I feel like I need to keep going back and finishing it. So yeah, sorry for all like the jumping about and all that. Now I'm just going to I'll just take this little picture and I'll just put this in here. And I'll just kind of resize that. That will just slot nicely in there. And yeah, I think I'll keep this here. I'll just kind of resize that a little bit. Now I'm just looking for some washi tape of some sort to do along the top and the bottom. But first I'm going to put this little glitter here. And just make that look like I've just put some glitter washi over this little picture. Absolutely love that. That's stunning. Definitely brings a little bit of sparkle back to the page. Now I'm just going to try and find something for like to do in the top and the bottom. So I think I'll just go in with this box. We'll put that box there. Then what should we do? That could be quite a cool design actually. We'll put this up here. So I always look for like a kind of washi effect as well to put along the top and along the bottom, just to kind of fill it all in. So I'm just going to put this along the top here. And then I do end up just duplicating that and putting it along the bottom, even though there is actually thin washi, but I completely missed it when I was actually doing the spread. So Now we're going to put this movie thing here because like a Saturday and a Sunday is just like a boring day for me, to be fair. It's just movies and chilling and cleaning and stuff, so that can go down here. There, we're just going to finish this one and put it on there. Now I'm just going to go back and I'm going to fill out these little icons and just use them in the little spaces where I've added them. So on this day we've got a little payday thing. Then I'm just adding the little the other ones to the other side here, and I'm going to put this wee checklist here because this is Friday, so I want to kind of check off the stuff that I've done for the week here, so I'm just going to add that in there. Now I'm just going back and I'm adding that bottom washi just so that it's coherent to the top. And this is what we're looking like so far. And I did go back and just split the screen again because I actually found the thin washi and I didn't know whether to use it or not. So I was like kind of umming and ahhing over that. Then I had to go and add that other little box that matched that side as well because I missed that out. So we're just going back in with this little arrow for a little reminder. And I'm then going in with this little camper van because I really like this artwork as well, and the weekend looked a bit boring, so I was going to put this right in the middle, then it looked a bit bare. So we've done the little camper van, then we've done this side of the house here. So this side is full of like images and stuff, but I don't care, I absolutely love it. Love this clip art, love this little sticker book, and I'm trying to use up all the artwork, to be fair. Then I'm just going in with this glitter washi and we're just going to put that down so that it looks like we've just stuck the pictures down as well. Then we change it up and we actually use the little kind of tartan one here. It just matched better and it kind of matched with the wheelies next to it as well, so put that down. Then I'm just going in with this thin washi and we're using this for these little stickers just to make it look like we've just stuck down some pictures. And now I'm just taking these little icons again and I'm going back and I'm just filling out the little icon parts and I'm putting in some little food parts as well so that I can remind myself to put in like what we're doing for dinners and stuff. So yeah, that is basically this spread. I hope you guys love it. I absolutely loved playing about with this sticker book. It was absolutely fantastic. Gemma, you are amazing. Keep on doing great work. And yeah, hope you guys like this weekly spread. I'll link Gemma's shop below so you can go and purchase this kit. I'll also link my own Etsy shop as well so that you guys can go and check that out. But this is how the spread turned out.